just fine. Like, it's not gonna flop down or anything. There's enough tension in there, even when loose, that the monitor will stay where you put it. And if you want it to definitely not move, you can lock it back down again. So the reason it locks on to their custom NATO rail is it has these little rollers, they call them, in the bottom, and it locks into these little grooves. The lock is nice and sturdy, doesn't go sideways. You just push the release button, it slides right on off. On a traditional NATO rail that doesn't have any of the grooves though, I can slide it back and forth. So it's not really that compatible with standard NATO rail.
This is the SMALLRIG quick release monitor support with NATO clamp, and it's exactly what you'd expect. Quality product from SMALLRIG. Two quarter 20s on the bottom. This little guy, you push this little button on the front, and this thing slides out. Like that. It's a nice piece.